Namaste students, I am Dr. Manu Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University Jaipur, and in this session I will be taking up subject victimology from the program LLM, and under this particular subject today I will be dealing with the topic victimology, or we can say compensation of victim, and concept, and what is the introductory part of this particular concept. So, dear student, the attention had always been towards the offender and the crime. The victim never got the attention and never got that much weightage and Indian criminal justice system. So by the commencement of 20th century, it can be seen the position of victim under the criminal justice system was a nominal. So they played apparently filing a case to the police station or reporting a case to the police station, and there was a nominal or less number of legislative provision which have been provided in favor or which have been given to the victims for their compensation for their help. So the victim of crime holding a position almost complete oblivion for a century has now appeared and has been accepted worthy consideration in nation and across the world. So now we will be moving ahead where this concept have been incorporated under several laws and statutes. So under Indian Constitution, Article 32 and 226 have been mentioned, or we can say talks about the compensation or protection of fundamental rights, and for any person whose fundamental rights have been infringed. So the judicial activism in India towards the protection of human rights with a special reference to the victim is a major aspect taken up by the present time, and review of Indian judiciary regarding the protection of human rights and have been incorporated in this particular you can say in a task or in a journey. So India needs a victim compensation program for a just and effective compensation for victim of crime. So the idea of victim compensation is a new horizon involved in the settling claims for losses suffered by the victim and satisfying the thirst of retribution. So the reformative foundation for the punishment to the offender is debatable, but what can be a question is the novelty of this. The novel model of victimology is a step towards achieving the declared promise made by the maker of the Indian Constitution, enshrining a victim compensation as a scope restorative justice, which is a different way of thinking about the crime. Thank you.